So while baby's fixing us something to eat, I'm actually working. Today is Thursday. It's Thursday, and I'm glad it's Thursday because I usually don't have many meetings or any meetings on Friday. I have one tomorrow, but Fridays is when I actually get a chance to like catch up from work because we have so many meetings during the week. But I'm excited about getting this door, so I'm probably going to try to like work today, get as many things pumped out as I can, so that I can try to take some time tomorrow and get prepping to take down the wallpaper and decide if we're gonna paint the bathroom. We're actually waiting now for the glass door installers to get here because they're gonna install the glass doors finally. Because honestly, I haven't done anything else in that bathroom, and I probably should have. I probably should have went out and painted, taken down the wallpaper, got it all set up before they came. But honestly, I did not know they were coming today. I thought it was gonna be a little bit, a few more weeks out. But they called yesterday and said they're on their way. So actually that's good. So now that they're putting the glass door in, maybe I'll get some more inspiration to go ahead and finish up this bathroom. Inspiration or not, we gotta finish this bathroom. You cooking? What you got in your mouth? Take that out. I want some eggs. I guess he's gonna try to cook before we before the installers get here. They said between 11:30 and 1. What time is it? We still have time, so they're not here. Do we have sausage? I think I have some sausage in there. So maybe I'll get some breakfast. Okay, come on, fam. So here we are. So like I said, I hadn't taken down this wallpaper. Let me zoom out a little bit. So I haven't taken down this wallpaper. I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna paint everything this gray color. We thought about keeping, I like that it's light, and I really like the idea of having wallpaper, but I haven't found anything I want. So in the meantime, we have to repaint it. I could honestly just take the wallpaper off, and the wall is the same color as the ceiling. However, this little piece here, I don't know, there's a piece of wood that goes across here that matches the wood that's there. Can you see that? It matches that stain. So I may be able to put that back up and then not paint. I don't know. I'm going to try it out. We're going to figure it out this weekend. But here is the shower. So the glass door is supposed to go about, I don't know, I think it's about, not as quite as tall as the door, but right below the door. But it will be, I think, right where the fixture is. I don't know, but we'll see. But they're gonna put the door on. And actually my mom has actually taken a shower in here without the door. We had the curtains, but she said that the floor didn't get wet or anything, so we'll see. But I'm really, really excited about getting the door in because that means I can finally finish off this bathroom. So I just saw the truck pull up. They didn't call anything, but I just saw the truck pull up. So I am going to let them in the garage. And I don't know if Manny is coming with them. I text them. So I don't know if he's coming or not. So let me ask them if they can. Hello. Good morning. Do you guys need me to move the truck? I can move it out if you need me to.
Yeah, but if you want to go to the front, or it's better access from here?
The bathroom is right here. We can go through the front though. It's probably easy access through the front. Okay. All right.
Let me walk in and see where.
Okay, I can let you walk in. He's gonna see how he can access it. I didn't know if I need to pull the truck out. If I pull the truck out, you can come in right.
Pull it a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, we can move it.
Good, how are you?
Good. So we are about to pick the handle design, and what we went with was this one. It's a little bit more clean, so you can take this one. That one is a little bit.
It's a wave design.
As a wave design. Oh, okay. So those, will those notches show with these little holes? Just the design? Okay, so that has a little design. And then that's a little bit too modern for me. So we're going to go with the wave. Yeah. You're cool, right? As long as it comes back, it's no big deal, right? Look at the foreman. Y'all see he's wearing Braves. Braves attire today instead of Georgia. He switched it up. Okay guys, we're back and the installers are gone. So what he told us was the door, so this is what I was considering the wall or the static piece of glass that does not move. Stationary glass, basically stationary glass. So this piece not move. The door is this side. So the door swings out. You know what? I can't remember. I need to ask them if the door swung in or out, but I'll find out. So the door piece was too short. It was shorter than the stationary piece. So they have to go back, get the manufacturer to send us another door that's cut to the right dimensions or the right specs, and they'll bring it back. So I guess, a little bit disappointed, but not so much. We really wasn't expecting them today. So it's all good. For the door, I don't know how long it's going to take. He didn't know. This will give us a chance to go ahead and take down this wallpaper, paint the rest of the bathroom the gray color, and decide, sorry guys, I'm on my phone, but decide about these fixtures. I don't think I want to change them. These fixtures are the antique bronze, and what we have over here is the brushed nickel, so they don't match. But the antique bronze is everywhere else in the bathroom, and the brushed nickel is just in the shower. So it may just have to stay. The shower hardware also is brushed nickel. I don't know, but changing out all this hardware is gonna be, like, that's the whole thing. And I'm not thinking that we should do that. I mean, whether or not we should, we're not gonna do it. So that's not gonna be part of this. So once we get it painted, get everything back organized and set up, we're gonna love it. Hey guys, so wanted to start off by first saying the shower door is in. It's installed, it's working perfectly. We actually love it. But as you will see, this wallpaper is still here. It's still here. Nothing has changed about this bathroom since last week or a couple of weeks ago actually, when they installed the door. I just have not been in here. I actually been working on the bedroom, which is gonna be in the next vlog. So please stay tuned. I'm gonna finish up the bedroom in the next vlog. We'll mostly finish it up in the next vlog. And it should be out in the next day or so. But I wanted to bring you back and show you guys that no, I haven't finished the bathroom, but the door is in. And the door actually swings out this way like I thought before. Because earlier I couldn't remember which way it swung, and I didn't know if it was going to be like two ways, but it's not, because it has this little, I don't think you can see it, but it has this little lip on it. But the door is in, and I love it. I really, really love it. We wanted to do something like this up in the master bedroom, but the price to change out my shower in the master to this glass door, it was a bit pricey, because it wasn't just changing the door. It was like reconfiguring the entire shower, and the shower is large, and it was gonna require us to change the tile out, all kinds of crazy stuff. So we decided not to go with it, but it makes a lot of sense for this shower, this walk-in shower, to be here in the downstairs guest bathroom. So another peek at everything. Looks really good. And I'm gonna get the rest of this space finished off. I promise. I'm gonna get get it finished off, and then we're gonna come back and share with you guys what we do. But until then, I want to sign off for this vlog, and I'll see you guys back for the update and reveal for the master bedroom sitting area and the updates that we did in the master part of the bedroom part of the bedroom, the bedroom portion of the master bedroom, if that makes any sense. All right, talk to you guys later.